Talk about the snow because I know that's what you want to hear about first. We got Livingston, Oakland, Macomb, Lapeer, St. Clair, Sanilac counties under winter weather advisories for tomorrow. They go from 4 a.m. until 1 in the afternoon. Why aren't everybody underneath that same umbrella? Well, mainly because you don't have as much snow in the forecast and it goes away very quickly. And that's what we have right here. Let's show you the snow first. Then I'm going to start to break it down. Like I said, I know you want to see this before anything else, so here it is. What we've got is less than an inch for basically everybody south of Ann Arbor and Detroit. We've got 1 to 2 inches for areas between Howell and Ann Arbor, Pontiac, Detroit, Mount Clemens, St. Clair Shores. Everybody in there really about 1 to 2. Light blue, 2 to 4. Now, I know there's that locally up to 5 possible, but that's more likely when you get from Lapeer further off to the northwest. So Lapeer and Sanilac counties, those are the ones more likely to see anything near 4 inches or more. But to be honest, it looks like 2 to 4. That's the best. And the reason for that is the rain. We're going to start off right here. Dundee, in your neighborhood. We've got those 40s trying to build on in. Look at this. You have mainly just rain, and then you're in the 40s, and then you get the sunshine. But it's windy. That's the other key for tomorrow. Every single one of us has to deal with wind. 40s down to the south. Dearborn, looking at good snow in the morning, picking up about an inch of snow, and then very quickly transitioning to rain, and then 40s and wind, and then really just wind at that point. That's how sharp of a cutoff this is. South Lyon, looking at about 1 to 2 inches of snowfall. You got the snow in the morning. It ends by about 10 a.m., turns to rain. We've got the rain up through about 1 in the afternoon. We then go to just cloud cover and wind. Then it's just wind, but it's still that mild day that we have to look at. I mean, what a spread. Now we get into the snowier spots. Waterford, 38 degrees, but not until later in the day. So you have good snow through the morning, which is why you're in that spot that has a chance at 2 to 4. That's the main cutoff there for you. Anywhere along and north of 59, 2 to 4 inches of snowfall looks the most likely. Port Huron, also 39 degrees, not until later. It's all snow in the morning, so you get that chance for some of the heavier stuff. Now let's break it down on the next Weather Futurecast. What you've got is a pretty solid timeline right here where the snow moves in early in the morning. Then it continues to pick up right here. This is where the best chance of snow is, around 9 a.m. Moves its way on through, but look at where that divide line is. I mean, it's a sharp cutoff, almost trying to bubble around Armada all the way over toward the Richmond area. We get past that, it's all just cloud cover left over before the next 7 days gives us one dip on Saturday, and then wouldn't you know it, right back to the 40s on the other side of President's Day next week. So that heat is really going to be the key. I mean, the fact is, next week we're back to 45 by Wednesday, and to be quite honest, next week, by the middle to the end of it, 50s aren't out of the question.
Okay.
We can work with that.
It's a roller coaster, but I'm liking the peaks.
We're busy.
Yeah.
We're busy in the weather department right now.
All right. Well, thanks for keeping us ahead of it. Thank you, Ahmed.